EUYJPY Trading Academy here. This is your weekly watch list. This is the week of July 25th, 2021. We're going to bring to you our trade ideas, our upcoming potential trades, the trades that we're already in or we're looking to get into this coming week. So let me go jump in and share my screen. We'll start with the Forex side. I was looking at the Euro-Yen pair last week because it started a downtrend movement, but we have had consecutive 4 days of uptrend direction, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. So this could be, if it moves a little bit more long, then the downtrend direction would be canceled. So for me, it is a sideline play. I am just watching it from afar, letting that play out. I am still in AUD short. Yes, last week it looked like it pulled back, and then we had a red bar on Friday. So it's a good indication, like, hey, maybe the bear momentum will still continue to go short. As you can see, weeks ago it broke out of this range right here, sideways consolidation action, broke down, lots of bear strength, pull back, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Really simple, guys, to identify the direction. The pound euro, what was it, euro pound, I was looking at other week as well, because it was showing consolidation of price, and then we had a false breakout by this strong green bar followed by another strong green bar, but it was a major pullback after that. So people, if you were to get into the trade to go long, it would have went your way for a brief moment, boom, whack you out. So definitely this would be a whipsaw trade. I did not take any action in that trade, but it did look good at the time. So we just gotta wait. Let's go back to the futures market. On the S&P side, I am currently long. Don't mind these drawings. Go. Currently long. We broke a new high last week, 4408.25. New high. We closed daily. These are daily bars. Closed on the previous high. Previous high was 43.74, and now we close at 44.08. So that shows, that's a confirmation of, like, look, even though the other week we had a crazy pullback, 2% down across the board in all the indices, strong recovery. And you can just see with these bars, they're closing at the very top. Lots of buyers in the market, and it kind of shows you, like I said, the buyers are in the market. The bigger hedge funds could be moving this market up. They could be just loading up their positions again. So and you can never totally tell the full reason why these prices move, but for me, like, that's what I'm seeing, that's what I'm observing. They're limiting their risk with these moves here, and then now there's like, okay, we're loading up, looks good, no crazy dramatic news happening, and it's just showing the overall strength of the economy. So I am currently long there. I got in originally at 42.36, and I was pointing out to Reid 42.36 on this wick. I wanted to point out, like, this was my original entry. This is what I saw earlier right here. So we had the dump on Monday of a low of 42.24, and then once I saw price bouncing, like ping-ponging in this area right here, this range from a high of 42.38 to 42.24, it bounced. And what I did was, I was just waiting, watching price, and once I realized, like, okay, cool, we're not making any newer lows, lower low, there's no lower low here. on this peak, this valley, no lower low here, right? So this is strictly price action you're looking at, and I got in, and then my price broke out of this range, and it just continued upward. And so that was a great trade for me, which I'm still in. So that's what's happening there. I want to look at gold. Gold has been sideways too. No clear direction on where it wants to go. So you just want to cruise on the sidelines. You might be able to cop a few cool short swings there. I want to talk about natural gas futures. Oh my gosh, man. It's been on the uptrend. So massive move. Let me go back to the daily chart. Natural gas broke out this previous high, and it just started riding the trend. Rolled over to a new contract. Everyone is still bullish long, and it's going. So very good trend there. I did not catch that one. Let's see, NASDAQ, I am still in. Very similar to the S&P 500, closed at a new high. I was able to get in within these bars and continue to ride that until it breaks. So we shall see. So right now, like Forex, I don't see anything that's really pushing me to get in. I'm waiting for the setups. I'm just holding my odd dollar short position. Futures, same thing. I'm holding my 2 positions in the MES and the MNQ and just letting those ride out until I see a great entry signal. Then I will take action, because right now at this point I'm managing. I'm being a manager, and so when you open up a new position, you have to weigh that against your current positions so you can manage your total risk. And so that is the role I'm in right now, and we shall see what happens this week. So yeah, on to you, bro.
Oh, that was awesome, dude. Good job. So yeah, Glenn's essentially a risk manager right now. He's managing his risk in the market. And that's how we should look at ourselves. We should look at ourselves as risk managers before traders, because that's really what big companies do. It's easy to get in and trade. The hard part is managing it. So
Yep,
props to you, my
definitely.
man.
Thanks.
All right. So let's get to my screen here. I have a lot of pairs that I am looking at, but just looking at. And since I'm looking at it, doesn't necessarily mean I'll be placing trades. Just like Glenn said, um, he's on the sidelines for the forex market overall. So euro yen, I'm liking. So the reason why I'm on the sidelines too is because a lot of these trades or pairs, they could just go the complete opposite way. So I'm looking at euro yen
Oh, it's odd.
long. Say again.
Oh, you're in odd yen, or did you want euro yen or odd yen? Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Odd yen.
Okay.
I saw euro yen on this paper. My bad. So
Okay.
odd yen. Overall, it's in a bearish decline, and it looks like it's just a pullback, and it's kind of like just making a small bull movement, towards the upside. And so I don't want to place any buy yet, because overall the trend is bearish, and it's not a strong bull back into this market here. So I'm sweating on the sidelines, could go long or short. I'm more short bias. Want this price to break down below my levels and then continue down. But I like to just keep my mind open, see what the market will do. Onto euro odd. Euro odd is falling back down into this range that I had last week. So this range of 1.598 and 1.577. So this range right here, it's dropped back down and it's just hovering here. But again, I want to keep an eye out on this trend. This is the daily on the bottom right. The trend is just up. It's just a bullish, and it's just going up and up and up. but it fell back down into this range. So if anything, could be a quick short down to this level, quick take profit. But we'll see how the market plays out. Just staying out of the market here. Another one, euro yen. So overall, yen pairs to me are showing the most appealing entries or cleanest entries for this week. I still just maintaining on the sidelines and just being patient for my setups. So I'm liking how it's looking. Looks like it could go long. Like Glenn said, if it starts going long, we're gonna might be seeing this going all the way back. This could just be a huge pullback. This right here could just be creating this descending channel after a long bull channel. And then when it pulls back, it could just continue up. So that's what I'm looking at right now. More bullish on this, on euro yen specifically. Euro dollar. So euro dollar, I marked it blue here in TradingView because this is developing when price has a strong movement and then now it's just correcting and or consolidating here and it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. That means a move is imminent. It may not be tomorrow, may not be tonight, but it also may be tomorrow or maybe tonight. We just don't know when or yeah, we just don't know when that's going to happen. So I just want to keep an eye on it. That's why I put this blue mark here because it may take a while to develop still. But and as far as like which way it'll go, my probability is to me is pointing out that it could continue downward, could go short, continue on short because we're coming out of this bear market and then it's correcting. So it's bear correcting. And then it could just continue to drop below this line right here, which is, let's think this 1.169. So that's if once it breaks through that, I think this pair is going to go down for a very long time. But we don't know. We never know. Could pull back up, go back, hit this, tag me in, and then go back up. So I'm just waiting for a price to develop. We just want to see what will happen. Moving on to dollar CAD. Dollar CAD short bias on this one because although it had this bull and it broke out of my recent support line, it dropped right back in real fast. And I just want to maintain that or keep an eye that it is in a bull trend as well. So we're just experiencing a new bear run. But what I need to happen is I just need it to continue. So again, just like euro dollar or euro yen, we were talking about how there's a strong bear movement, strong bear corrected, strong bear movement, and now it's just correcting and it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. That means a move is imminent either way, but I'm more bear bias on this one. So, and then finally dollar yen. I did get into this pair at the end of last week, literally Thursday night, and then followed into Friday morning. When I woke up, I closed this trade out for 1% profit just because it was at the end of the week. But I'm still long on this. So we will see. We will see if it provides another entry this week. But I know that was a lot. Other than that, that's what I got. I'm not in any live trades right now, but I'm watching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. So
I love
might
that.
be an active week. Yeah, might be an active week this week. Who knows? To end July strong.
Oh, one more week. I love how like technical you're getting with the the USD yen. Like
USD yen, yeah.
when you just ended with, I'm like, dude, I can't even identify how to even work that angle, man, to find a trade in that one. So
yeah. Maybe I was forcing it. Who knows? But nah, I just like the bullish momentum because it hit my EMAs, which were, by the way, following this topic, we're going into Tuesday. It'll be indicators. It'll cover a little bit more about the indicators that Glenn and I use and just the indicators that are available for any trader to use. So that'll be coming up in 2 days now. So if you want to know more about technical analysis, specifically indicators, please feel free to join us.
Don't miss out on that one, guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna load up that screen. Indicators galore.
Yup. Almost put them all on.
All full. You reminded me of the USD CAD. I was long bias, and I just got that was the one I got stopped out. And because I was loading up on that one, but that deep
Yeah,
pullback.
I
Yeah,
was looking for buys last week too, though.
yeah.
So like, I think another like you're really good at the flipping your script, right? Or flipping your bias, excuse me. So like that's what we want to be as traders, as professional traders. You want to flip your switch. You don't want to be married or tied to your position. And I'm learning that from Glenn. Like he flips real fast. Like I was short at the beginning of the week. Now I'm long at the end of the week. So it's like you got to be that quick, that fast, because if you're like, oh, I was short and I lost, and then you don't enter that long, you know, you're missing out on a position because you're emotionally tied to a position. So something I,
Great pointer,
always
man.
fighting.
Great lesson pointing out. That's really
Yeah.
good. Yeah. Don't marry your positions. Only marry your
Yeah.
spouse.
Hey, amen. Amen.
Cool. Yep. So don't miss out this coming Tuesday. We're gonna be talking about indicators, guys. Topic Tuesday lives with Hawaii Trading Academy. Like, share this video, follow these trades, and have a safe, awesome trading week. Thanks for watching.
Safe.